Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Kapwing login issues, workspace and export errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Kapwing, take a deep breath. First, ensure you're entering the correct email and password. Double check for any typos or extra spaces. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Next, verify your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to login problems. If you're on a public Wi-Fi network, consider switching to a more reliable connection. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as this can often resolve login issues. Try logging in again after clearing the cache. If you're still having trouble, consider updating your browser to the latest version. Older versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues with web applications. Additionally, try using a different browser or device to log in. This helps determine if the issue is browser-specific. If you're still facing problems, check the Kapwing status page. It may provide information about any ongoing outages or technical difficulties. If you encounter workspace or export errors after logging in, refresh the page. Sometimes, a quick refresh is all that's needed to resolve minor issues. Ensure your project files are properly saved before attempting to export. If the export fails, try again after removing any unnecessary elements from your project. Complex projects can sometimes lead to export errors. If issues persist, contact Kapwing support for further assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the problem you're facing. This will help them diagnose and resolve the issue more quickly. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve your Kapwing login and export issues. Now, let's get back to creating. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.